Unveiling the beauty of painting the lily, a dive into English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring a fascinating English idiom, painting the lily. This phrase might sound picturesque, but its meaning goes deeper than its literal words. Stick around as we uncover the origins, meaning, and how you can use this idiom in your everyday English conversations. Let's dive in and add a splash of color to our language skills. Painting the lily is an idiom that suggests doing something unnecessary or superfluous. It originates from a longer line in William Shakespeare's play, King John, "To gild refined gold, to paint the lily is wasteful and ridiculous excess." In essence, it means adding to something already perfect or beautiful and, by doing so, not making any meaningful improvement. It's a reminder that sometimes, less is more. The phrase, painting the lily, comes directly from Shakespeare's work, highlighting the playwright's influence on the English language. Shakespeare, known for his rich language and inventive use of words, often crafted phrases that stuck with us through the centuries. This particular idiom captures the idea of unnecessary embellishment, using the lily's natural beauty as a metaphor for perfection that needs no enhancement. Incorporating idioms like painting the lily into your conversations can make your English sound more natural and expressive. Here are a few examples. When discussing a colleague's over-decorated presentation, you might say, "I think adding more graphics is like painting the lily. It's already quite effective as it is." Commenting on a friend's plan to add more details to an already perfect dress, you could suggest, "Isn't that just painting the lily? It looks stunning on its own." In a broader sense, when someone is over-preparing for something already well-prepared, asterisk, "We're painting the lily by rehearsing again. We're ready." Understanding and using idioms like painting the lily also teaches us the value of simplicity in communication. This idiom serves as a poetic reminder that beauty and effectiveness often lie in simplicity and that adding more to what is already complete can detract from its essence. It's a lesson in restraint and appreciation for what is inherently perfect or sufficient. Thank you for joining us as we explored the meaning and beauty behind the idiom, painting the lily. We hope this video has not only enriched your English vocabulary but also inspired you to appreciate the simplicity and perfection in the world around us. Remember, sometimes the most powerful message is conveyed not by adding more, but by appreciating what we already have. Until next time, keep learning and keep sharing the beauty of language.